Want to call someone with just one tap on your home screen? Instead of opening the phone app and searching for a contact, you can create a custom speed dial button using the built-in Shortcuts app on your iPhone 17. This is especially helpful for parents, grandparents, or anyone who prefers a simpler way to make calls. Let's walk through how to set it up on the new iPhone 17 series. First, open the Shortcuts app. Go to the Library tab, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. At the top of the screen, tap the drop-down arrow next to the default name, usually labeled New Shortcut. From the menu that appears, tap Rename, then enter a name like Call Home or Speed Dial Home, then tap the blue check to confirm. Next, tap the Search Actions field at the bottom. Type Call, then tap Call Contact from the results. Choose the contact you want to assign to this shortcut. If you'd like, you can even select multiple contacts to call several people at once. Once selected, tap the Play button at the bottom to test your shortcut. This ensures it works before adding it to your home screen. When everything looks good, tap the drop-down arrow next to your shortcut's name again. Then select Add to Home Screen from the menu items. You can now customize the icon by choosing a color, symbol, or even a photo to make it easy to recognize. When finished customizing your shortcut icon, tap Add in the top right corner. Your new speed dial button will now appear on your home screen. From now on, just tap it once to instantly call that contact person. And that's it. If this video helped you simplify calling on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos to discover more useful shortcuts and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides like this.